What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to do a little bit different video here. We're going to do a video of us rating something we bought. Something that for the people who live in the city and have no yard, for people in areas that you're not allowed to do little campfires, this will be a game changer for you, I believe. Luckily, I live out in farmland, so we're allowed to do all this, but we seen this at Costco's. I believe it was like $15.99 if I remember right. We're going to open it up and try it out. Also, guys, it's Sharper Image S'mores Maker.
Dad, can I help you?
Yeah, you can come help me. This is more of a family video right here. Come on. Alright. Keep the sharp objects away, guys, obviously. Oh, man. What? They come with their own little forks for the marshmallows. That's cool. Alright, so it's a coil-based heater. Make sure everything's in there correctly. Put that back on. So got a little thing in there for the cord. Make sure that's lined up right. All right. Oh yeah. Never mind. Guys, I'm special today. Alright, so that goes, you just flip that upside down, and just like on the box here, we'll show you. You got spots for your marshmallows, chocolate, graham crackers, and whatever else you want to go in there. Alright, so now we need to get closer to an outline. Alright guys, we got a little setup here. We got our graham crackers, we got our marshmallows, and we got our chocolate. It's all plugged in. It's fairly simple. Yeah, we're going to have some marshmallows. And what I like best is it came with these guys. So you don't have to go outside and get sticks or come in here with some metal forks or anything like that. Alright, so let's test it out.
Daddy.
And we're going to do it. My youngest is going to do the first one. Here, this one's yours right here.
Okay. Which one is mine?
So hold on, we got to let that heat up a second. I'm sorry. I didn't know you were a big, strong girl.
You don't want to shot?
Mm-hmm. What are you doing, man?
Dad, I feel
No, it's hot over there.
Oh, yeah.
We're trying to slowly roasting our marshmallow here.
Wait.
Guys, nothing beats a good old campfire, but if you do not have that luxury to be able to do that, this is a game changer for you.
It's like sit on here.
No, let's not reset it. Alright, so we're going to sit here for 4 hours and marshmallow this up.
I just have to do what? Burn.
Oh, I don't want to get burned.
Why didn't marshmallow just steamed out? Get burned. It's really not good. It's hot.
Now this is supposed to glow orange. That's how hot it's supposed to get.
Oh, there it is. It says,
Hold it up
so are you done massage? Dang, this is hot. Oh, it's burned. I'll put it back on.
Alright. That should help it out a little bit. Oh yeah, it's getting hotter now, guys. I didn't have it lined up correctly. Here, kid.
Yeah, baby.
right now, starting to get a little bit of heat going on here.
It looks more puffy now.
Dad, you dirty.
I'm dirty.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, guys, we're out here. We're inside campfiring it out here.
It's starting to get good.
All right, it's starting to get As long as you have it set up right, guys, it heats up pretty quick, I guess. How's yours coming out, Ryder? You're not holding it close enough? So if you don't like the char of the campfire fire, this is definitely a win for you because this is slowly turning to golden.
This is really getting hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want it,
Okay, we got a chocolate.
Can I eat it?
Nope, not yet. Oh.
Is mine didn't
Hold on.
burn?
It's almost there, guys. It's like truly just heating up the marshmallow. It's not really like, you know, the campfire, you burn it up real quick. So yeah, it's starting to. All right.
Ooh, Taylor spicy.
All right, let's sit this one. No, you don't like that. That's hot, honey.
Oh yeah. It's hot.
All right, guys.
No, Dad. That looks good. Your feeling.
Oh.
Turn.
Yeah, s'more action, guys. For more little equipment here, guys, inside. On a cold day, you don't want to take the kids out. Boom, you got it right here, guys. This is definitely worth the $15.99 we paid at Costco's for it. Get yourself a bite. Tell me what you think. Is that good? Right? Did you need a setup?
already it's starting. Yeah, I don't think Ryder's close enough. He's close enough.
Well, my burn cut off.
No, you're not supposed to put it on, actually on there.
How did it burn?
All right, we're getting close, Ryder.
Almost done. Done.
There you go. Take all your graham cracker. Boom. Look at that marshmallow action, guys. Yeah. Guys, I give it an 8 out of 10.